What's up, my friends? I tell you, I need to get my gimbal working. I've had that thing for a year and I hadn't used it. I've messed with it some time ago, but it's a weird, these gimbals are weird contraptions, but it will keep your camera stable, but God, it's weird. I can't have the case on my phone that I have on it when I use it, so it's a difference. Sometimes I thought about just getting another phone that's just to film with and not have to worry about it being a cell phone and so worth the case, but yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that at all. But anyway, I tell you, man, you know, when you build these vans, it's always a work in progress. Sometimes RVs are a work in progress because you're always adjusting something, but it depends on the RV you buy too. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with whatever you decide to do. Just know that, you know, you may have a little bit of maintenance from time to time. The easiest one of it is I built this, so I can fix it. Just stuff like the drawer front, I need to replace that. That's easy. I'll just get that and be done. I'm gonna put some knobs on the cabinets, some handles, because it needed to be done anyway. But I'm gonna hunt down a cushion for that couch. I know I was talking about getting one made, but with the dimensions that I need, I think I can probably find one. We'll see. Just some small stuff, but other than that, this thing will be in good shape. I just have to go through and, you know, you live in here and you want a unlimited space, try to figure out your storage and how you want to manage it. And I literally need to get up down below here and just manage all that stuff. It's just stuffed in there. I want to be able to see if I can come up top and build some like racks to put the folding chair and stuff that's in the way, and stuff that's in there easy to get to when I go up under there. It's just not, you know, so hard to get to. That'd be an easy fix. I just have to kind of think about what I want to do on that deal. But other than that, the van is going very well. I'm still wondering about my main battery in here. I was having the problem where it wasn't discharging. I was going to do the test with the, still haven't forgotten about that, the test with the AC during the day, and I'll get that done at some point. But it's getting the battery drained down lower than 65%. That's been kind of, you know, I put the battery charger on it, and I don't know if my battery monitor, everything, the battery was not as charged as my battery monitor said. So what I do is I just charged it up fully again, got it up, made sure the voltage was there, and my charge controller said it was full, and just reset the capacity again. So we'll see. It's going on 90% now. Sun's been weird lately. It's been clouds off and on throughout the day because if it's every time this time of the year here, we get hurricane season. Rain comes through every day at some point. So sun has been a little bit odd, and where the van's parked, I don't think I'm getting the full benefit of sun like I should if it were out in the wide open. But that's on me on that part. But be it that it may, I'll get that done. But I've been thinking about wondering if there needed to be more, maybe overhead storage up here or something across above this, as well as just across. I don't know, it's a thought. I don't know how to make cabinets. They do make, I think I mentioned these before, they make those, what they call mule bags or something. They're soft, look like duffel bags. They're on tracks and hooks, and you can mount them and hang them, and they're great for storage, but for what they want to sell them for, it's ridiculous. I could get creative and do something else, so who knows. So that's all thoughts of things when you get in here in your van. That's why I say I think it's probably the smartest thing to do if you want to get into van life, is do what some of these guys like Chrome Valdez did. He started out, I mentioned this before, start out simple, you know. Get your walls and ceiling and flooring in here how you want. And before you furnish this thing how you want it, find your right layout. Find what you need, what you require. And then figure out from there. Just know that if you're going to put overhead cabinets, know where your mounting and your bracing is. Know how to get to all that. So you know when you anchor it, it's not going to go through the skin of the van to the outside. It's going to go into the frame. And know your screw sizes. So be very careful about that. And what you do on that, be very careful. But I would start simple. I kind of got to thinking maybe I should have done that, you know. But I'm kind of glad I built it like this. I really am. I've got the window cover. So my thought on this is that if I decide to split the divvy, and I mean, I've said that before, if I decide to go, say, RV travel trailer and then have a vehicle for overlanding, a travel vehicle like this, I can get good window covers. It'd be all portable power. I'd have a smaller refrigerator and just stuff that, you know, a bed in there and stuff. When I travel, it'd be just like this van. It'd be stealth. Have a little thermal curtain between the front and back seat when it's dark. Don't put any coverings in the front windows. Just you park kind of in a parking space, kind of blended in, kind of on the outskirts, where least amount of suspect possible that you're even in that vehicle. Chances are no one's even gonna care. And it's really just designed in for you to sleep in at night. It's not to stay in all day. That's not what it's designed. This van here is not really designed unless I need to stay in this thing all day. It's designed, you know, it's to sleep at night, and sometimes you can hang out in it at night and relax a little bit. It's designed for that. It's not that it's not designed to do that. It's just, it's a little bit different because during the day you're out doing things. It kind of gets you outside more doing stuff. You know, workspaces, you can find those. Panera Breads, Starbucks, different kinds of restaurants. I mean, that's the easy part of getting creative with that stuff. So easy and creative ways to do all that stuff. Because, you know, if you're busy doing other things anyway, you know. If you have a job that's not at home, you definitely aren't in it. You're at work all day. So there's options. It's pretty cool. I love it. But my thing is, I think I need something that's in one home base, and then I can move around, or I can take that trailer. In other words, if I wanted to, say, go stay somewhere 6 months at a time, well, the trailer will go with me. And I'll live there for 6 months. I can come back. And I can have that vehicle. I can take week or two trips and shoot in different places in what they call overlanding. I guess that's what overlanding is. I don't know. But anyway, other than that, nothing much going on. Trying to get some music done. I'm working on sealing the deal on a couple of contracts for publishers this year and some other things. So that'd be what it is, man. Making it happen. But what I decide to do with the van here, I'll keep you posted, because yeah, I might sell it. You never know. Anybody who might be interested, let me know. You can message down below and we can link up on that. We'll figure it out. But still right now just kind of working out the idea of what I want to do and how I want to do it. So, but anyway, I'm getting off. It's late, and I appreciate you guys for watching. And until the next time, we'll see you then. I appreciate it. And as I always say, and I haven't said it in a bit, something cool comes along, I'll cut you in. You know it.